Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT and I am back with another video. And guess what I have today, baby? And please excuse the giddy up or whatever. I have braids in my hair. I do need to take them out. We're nearing Mother's Day. I am in my beauty room. I do need to reorganize, so please don't judge a girl. I was actually going to wait to do this video, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and get right to it because I am so excited about this haul that I'm doing. Guess what I got, y'all? And I want to make sure that I'm not showing my address. I actually forgot to do this earlier. I wanted to do that before I actually started the video, but since I've already started the video, let's go ahead and see if I can get it cleared out. You know what? I am not prepared for this. Not prepared. You got to be more prepared, right? Okay. Guess what I got? The big orange bandage, y'all. I said, you know what? I was not going to start with Temu because I know how it was when I first started with Shein and baby. Let me just tell you, your girl got totally obsessed. But I've been watching a lot of Temu reviews and I was like, you know what? Just go ahead and jump on this bandwagon right quick. You know what I'm saying? So this is my first ever Temu haul, you guys, and I got a few things mainly for my businesses, but let's just see. And I'm actually opening this for the first time. I mean, some people already have theirs open to kind of take a sneak peek, but you guys are going to get real reactions from what I'm thinking about Mr. Temu, okay? Temu, shop like a billionaire. Ooh. Now, one thing I'm noticing as soon as this opening here is this. Oh, it has a strong chemical scent. I probably should have let it air it out first. Ooh. It is extremely strong, you guys. Oh, I'm just gonna pull them out here, and what I'll do is I'll kind of show you guys what I have and tell you what I paid for it. This haul was actually under $100. I wanted to keep it under $100 for my first haul because I wanted to make sure that it was actually legit. Everybody named Mama talking about Temu. So I want to make sure Temu was doing what it's supposed to do and giving what it's supposed to give. So let me show you guys what I have, and then I'll tell you what I actually paid for it. If I can find the order slip. And it surprised me because it did get here rather quickly. I ordered this last week, I want to say. Now, it is coming in 2 parts. I didn't get everything with this order. I believe it's some things that are being delivered via my mailbox. So, okay, so I have 3 items that are still in the shipping process. So those should actually be coming soon. And let me see, what do we have here? I don't know what this is. So this came in a box. I want to assume that this is one of the little wine glasses that I bought. And I will actually post them in the video so you guys can see. But I know it can't be the wine glass because it's so small. Oh my god, I got duped. No, it's actually pretty cute. But when they said wine glass, I actually thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than this. I guess it will serve a purpose of drinking wine. It's pretty cute though. And I don't know, for some reason my camera's flip-flop. I think it's because of the way I'm recording this. So it's actually in my right hand, but you guys are seeing it in my left hand. But yeah, this is supposed to be like the crinkle. I think it's called a crinkle wine glass. And then when I click on it, it's so weird because I'm clicking on the order and it's not pulling it up. So oh, there, my camera just went weird. I'm actually looking at it on my iPad. So it's weird because it's not actually pulling up the price, but I believe this one was like $1 and some change. I'll give you guys the full price at the end of this video. And again, this is part one of a two-part video. So you'll see the rest of them in the next video. And I'm assuming this is the other one. It was actually two of them the same. This one is the frosted one. Same glass, just in frosted. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me do this. I'm bring it a little closer so you can see the way my camera's designed. It's just a frosted glass. You can get like maybe 4 ounces out of a drink with that. The next item we have, and again, this was a business haul. So a lot of the stuff I have in here is for my business. It's actually huge. I don't know. So this is a reason mold. I'm probably gonna cover everything, but this is a reason mold for like a tray, and I think this is only like $1 and some change. I'm not gonna take it quite out of the bag just yet, but you guys can see. You just pour the reason in there, and it's supposed to mold into this tray design. The next thing I have, I do make stickers for my website, but this one I wanted to try before I actually purchased like a bigger order on Amazon. This is the hologram sheets for the stickers. I'm actually probably going to make some stickers today just to see how it comes out. And I think these would be really cool for like little unicorn stickers, or like those digital AI stickers that everybody's doing right now. So I'm going to try that. And the next item we have is, I needed some more cutting boards for my Cricut machine. And I think this is the average size. This is the fabric grip. You know, when you cut your Cricut projects on it, you put it on the board, it actually grabs it. The fabric grab, paper grab, and these were actually $1 and some change, I believe. They do have different colors. They have pink, I think pink, purple, green. I want to say yellow. So we'll try that out with other colors as well. And I'm working on a project. I'm going to be selling these projects on my Etsy account. And I needed some cherries. Now, when idea came to me, the project that I'm doing, I was like, you know what? I need some cherries. And I don't know why. I was looking on Amazon before for some fruits, but something told me to go to Temu. And I was watching a lot of Temu videos, and I saw that people were basically saying that Temu has everything. I'm going to let you know the quality of it. But in my mind, I'm thinking, why would they have cherries, like fake cherries? Lo and behold, I searched for it and they had it. So here it is. Fake cherries. And y'all excuse me, my lips are super dry. So I meant to do that before I started. So sorry y'all for the interruption. Okay, the next item. What is this item? What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, so these are for the Cricut machine. So, you know, if you guys have a Cricut machine, you know that it has like the cutter in there. So it has a replacement cutter here. This, I wanted to order this. This was actually $6, I want to say, but it doesn't have the blade in it. The blades actually came separate, which it looks like it's about 3 of them. 3 blades. I don't know. We gotta figure this one out, because if you can see, it's usually a tiny blade at the, which way am I going? A tiny blade at the bottom of it, but it's not showing a blade on these. But it's 3 extra blades, so we're gonna figure out how to use that. Definitely gonna put some use to it. I use my cricket machine every day, so that's definitely gonna get some use. And the next item, this is actually I thought this was bigger than what it is. I thought it was a roll, but this is actually for a project that I'm working on as well. That's pretty, super pretty. Y'all gotta excuse my camera. I'm recording from my laptop, so it's probably gonna freeze. Hopefully we can pick it back up here. Come on. Come on, camera. Okay. So I actually had to leave out and come back in. My laptop is so weird, you guys. But anyway, this is for a project that I'm working on. I thought it actually came in a roll, but I'm gonna have to order some more of these. Probably maybe about 5 or 6 more bags. So, and they weren't that expensive. I believe these were $3. Everything is just timing out today for some reason. I guess because I'm super excited about this. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, and these are some thank you stickers, which is actually a lot smaller than what I thought they were going to be. They're like thank you stickers for my business. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see. They're different prints on them. Like some of them, it says thank you. It says you've got great taste, pretty things inside. Thank you. Happy Mail, pretty things inside. So it's pretty much just like 4 or 5 different comments on here for my business, like thank you, appreciative. I'm trying to go, okay, there we go. So I was trying to go the other way, but I was actually, I just cannot get right today for some reason. Okay, there you go. So that's for my business as well. So this was basically a small haul for my business. So the next one that's coming is going to be a little bit more bigger. Hopefully I don't get obsessed with Temu. Like I see some people are. But I know how, listen girls, I know how it is because I was that same way with Shein when it first started. But I actually got some sunshades, some sunglasses. These are actually not sunglasses. These are the clear glasses, which is super cute. I thought they were cute. I have a lot of these, and I also I'm investing in the organizer. I have that in my cart. I haven't purchased it yet, but ooh, these are super cute. If I can get them on my ears. Can't get them around there. Okay, look at those. Those are cute. I like them. Hey girl, how you doing? Hey girl, what's up, girl? Hey girl, how you doing? So silly. Okay, let's see what else we have here. I think we're at the end of this haul, coming up to the end anyway. Yeah, and last but not least, in this first bag, I saw one of the YouTubers that I watch. She actually had this in her haul, and I'm probably going to do another video. Not probably, I am going to do another video where I actually show this dress. I thought this dress was so cute. I don't know if I can fit it. I bought it in a 14, but and it doesn't have any stretch to it. I'll show it at the end of the video, but it's like a shirt dress. So we'll see. I don't know. My arms are kind of big, but it's that dress that basically it's supposed to come all the way down. I don't know if I can fit this right now. As you guys know, or if you don't know, I'm on a weight loss journey. So I have lost so far. I've lost 16 pounds in about a month and a half. So I'm really excited about that. Listen, when I tell you I've been working out every single day, I've been working out every single day. So one thing I do like about this is the little ruff at the end. So we'll see the material it gives me almost like a curtain type material. I don't know. I just have to try the clothes on because again, I'm new to Temu. I don't know how Temu operates yet, so I would have to see the quality of it on my body. So we'll definitely give you guys an update on that, and I'm going to show you guys the pictures at the end of the video. So you guys, if you like this haul, I know it was very short and it was acting all weird with the camera. If you like it, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel. I try to get right to the point with things. The next haul that I have, it's the remaining portion of this haul, and then I have another haul coming after that. Also have a Shein haul that's coming soon. I'm gonna start pumping out a lot of my older videos with Shein, so you guys will see like a lot of older videos that I did, only because I have them in my phone. I need to clear out the space in my phone, so you will see some of the old Shein hauls that I've done, which is these and these. A lot of clothes that I have. Probably about 75% of these clothes still have tags on them. So when we move into our larger space, we'll be kind of going through them. I start going through my closet because I have like 4 or 5 closets full of clothes. So a lot of things that I don't wear and I feel that they're timeless pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and start uploading those pieces or selling those pieces on different outlets. I will keep you guys informed about where and how you can purchase them. But again, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I am so excited about these hauls, y'all. I'm just excited to be back on YouTube. For a long time I was posting videos. I feel like I just kind of lost my I've been working on so many different things with my other businesses. If you don't know, I am a published author. I do write books. I have some more content coming out as well, so I will leave some information about that as well. And this channel, I also have 2 other channels, so I will leave it there as well. And again, if you guys like seeing me babble, like seeing my face, I'm gonna start doing more hair videos and more tutorials and that sort of thing. If you like the channel, go ahead and thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Y'all know, turn your notification bell on so you're aware when I post videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you later. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. Bye.